again today. Oh, today I'm still going back again.
I've always known you as agents of darkness.
Yes, obviously.
I've always known you as agents of darkness.
I am.
Stop frustrating her. Allow her to do the thing that she wants to do, then you can go.
This is no problem. You know the shame. You will be man.
She will beat your hands down.
You where she dey beat me, come. She beat you then because she dey beat you. No, no.
Nobody can beat me. Nobody can beat me.
And I think I don't finger.
I don't leave her because I know why I'm leaving her.
You wait.
And I don't leave you too.
They go beat you.
I leave two of you and I leave her
beat
too.
you blue.
So nobody can beat
me. Madam, please, can you just leave the kitchen? I want to do something. And they talk right now answer me. Shebi you dey there. Your God dey tell you anything wey dey happen, make you dey record am abi. Shey you dey see wetin dey happen right now. I just came back and I needed to do something for me to eat. You just dey clean. You have been cleaning this thing since. You have been cleaning. Can you just excuse? I want to do my cook oats. I know they follow you, they quarrel. I know they follow you, they do anything. No, I just for you. I know why you want to pack yourself. Just pack and leave. I want to do something. First they call himself ghost. You think when ghost they talk when person go dey hear that. Because if ghost pass now, ghost body go touch you. So just pass. Let me do what I want to do. At least you are done in this kitchen. They don't feel good. When you're talking about me, they don't know where that ghost is. Where that ghost says they talk, but they don't hear. So. I'm behaving. There's a ghost. I've been stressed at the gym. Now I want to do my coca. Please, can you just allow me to do what I want to do? Shebi, you dey see wetin dey happen now. You are seeing everything that is happening now. At least so they call you because now you no get any witness for here. Now only you be the witness, and this is what you carry for hand. Shey you dey see now. So in case they call down. Hey, make I don't talk. Excuse, I want to do what I want to do. Shame passing it. I just came back from the gym. Like I've been stressed. Just to just do only one oath. When no go even pass that many minutes. Now she don't want to give me space. Not that she's not doing anything. She don't clean tired. Now when I said I go gym, I don't know say person there is, but you say you be ghost for this, so behave like the ghost that you are. If I anywhere where I dey no even come say one follow me talk, just stay like the ghost wey you say. Man no see you, no even some man dey hear because normally you dey hear wetin ghost dey talk. So dey your ear. No Koma. Ghost won't pass now for lesson. She's blocking me. Ghost no dey. So how you seeing the ghost? Ghost no dey cook comot. I no want see you. How you not seeing the ghost? Okay. Carry anything, carry this pot. I'm not leaving this place. Where is your laptop for the boy? I want to boil hot water. Go and take it in my husband's room. Do not call your husband to come here. Do not call your boyfriend. See, I want to take call your boyfriend husband. I want to take one of them and use that. You push it, please. I don't like. See, Lemon! David! I don't even know the name I should call. Your wife, I be your anything. Come on. See, I don't like this. Come and settle this thing, oh. I'll be stressed. I don't like this wahala, oh. David and your Lemon, anyone your name is. Come and tell us I want to be about this thing now.
Madam, why are you screaming my name now? What's the meaning of that? What's happening?
I just came back from the gym. I want to do all that. She's not allowing me to do anything. Yeah, she's not doing anything. She has been cleaning. Cleaning, maybe say you're clean, you're tired. She's just looking for my trouble.
You know, this is not the first time you guys are misbehaving this way.
So that's what you will say?
My sanity matters a lot.
Now wait till you go talk, Abi.
I'm not in for this. Who knows say won't come up for kitchen, come up for kitchen now? Who knows say now they kitchen for food?
Which one be who knows say you not go call name?
Making come.
You not go call name. Which one be who knows say you won't go? Who don't know you make it come out? You not go call name. Ask her what is she still doing? Nothing.
Who first come here?
Now who first come and who don't finish first? She's not what she's doing.
Who first there? Who first come here? Madam, who were here?
Who were here? Are you writing him on 9 member? Who first come here? Now who were here? You go talk. Ask her what is she doing now? Is she cooking? What is she doing? That's the question I'm supposed to say who were here. I am tidying up my kitchen. I do not say she not tidy up, madam. Tidy up. I don't say she not tidy up your kitchen, but I want to prepare this cocoa before I sleep. I will decide when I want to. Because I'm tidying to at least I need to rest.
At least learn sometimes learn how to dodge problem.
I am dodging the problem since I said it before. Make everybody act like I'm not in this house. Fine, I'm trying to.
Sure, you are just coming from the gym.
I have to even eat. I have to eat and rest.
What are you eating?
See, I want to do my oats.
Who go gym they chop now?
They eat oats, and they chop my oats. I know they chop it, but I know they chop swallow. Yes, oats is good.
Immediately you're just coming from gym.
I don't understand. You see me see the nowhere pint. Which kind of rubbish be this one now? Is this the question you're supposed to be asking me?
No, I'm just saying the truth. Like, I want to know. You that you're just coming from gym now.
I will not eat. I will not eat. I'm not go chop, oh. Because I'm in by Jesus, I not go chop.
Mary, leave the kitchen for her. Leave her for her. Leave the kitchen for her.
My kitchen.
You're asking me if I want to wear. Are you going to
I should leave my kitchen for me.
There's nothing like your kitchen. Stop saying
They
this
cook
word.
for this house.
Stop saying this
Then
word.
they ghost they cook.
You people don't know. I mean myself. I know how to avoid.
You don't even know how to. You don't even know what to say. I don't know what we shall. I'm not even call you.
To be honest,
And they talk and they ask me say, we say the person they chop up. You be my gym instructor. You be my gym instructor. Now wait till you go talk with that. I'm asking you something. You are telling me that are you supposed to eat?
You're shouting
for me.
Now
you be my
You're
gym
shouting
instructor.
for me.
I'm not shouting. Judge matter.
If you cannot leave the kitchen for her, you don't feel even for her.
Okay, you know they come up go anywhere. Settle this matter. Settle because I need to eat before I rest.
Joy,
I go
excuse
still
me.
go back gym again. So settle matter.
Excuse me.
I know they excuse anything. Settle matter.
It
Settle
is
matter.
none of my business. I have nothing to settle.
It's none of your business.
Allow her to be done with what she's doing. I'm tired.
Oh yeah, you ask her what is she doing. Allow her. You see the person balance. You dey ask. Allow her. Ask her what is she doing.
Ah, Jesus, my headache. Headache.
They go tell me you go settle matter. You dey do that.
I tell her she's sitting. You are telling me asking what I'm
Madam, what are you doing here?
Now go sit down. Why you asking me question?
Okay.
I don't feel like doing anything, and I feel like staying here. I don't even do videos, so I feel like staying here.
The last time I was preparing noodles, now so she called them make her excuse. But everybody knows say I dey prepare noodles. Now what are you preparing? Nothing.
I don't feel like preparing anything.
Then let the person I want to at least do something.
I
Let
will
me
not
do
let
my thing.
anybody cook. I want to stay here and do video. Nobody will cook.
Can't you see
This is my.
Can't you see that you're a daughter of the Jezebel?
I am the daughter of the
Is it not obvious?
devil. I am the daughter of the devil.
Is it not obvious? Allow her to do whatever she wants to do. Your kitchen, you did not.
It's not me that call you. Don't interfere. Oh. Don't talk now. Before you say I insult you again. Leave me. Oh. It's me and Ghost that is
You are
talking.
such an
It
arrogant
is me
human being.
and Ghost. You
are such an arrogant human being.
Are you not arrogant?
I'm talking like a
See, people want to quarrel. People should go front and quarrel. Let me do what I want to do. This is not even funny.
That's what he said.
I don't. Hey.
Come on,
This is not. They say settle. You don't want to quarrel.
You cannot put me
Settle
under
matter. You don't want to quarrel. Settle. Okay,
You
maybe what
cannot
are you
put me
doing? You are not
under
doing anything.
depression.
I'm not putting any under depression.
I'm too
If
young
say
for
enough, I
this.
don't put my buy something for more where I come. But I decided to come and do my own thing. Don't press phone now. Settle. I'm hungry. Oh. I'm hungry. I don't like this kind of thing. Shey na say I go gym come back, na you come dey pepper you for body.
Madam,
Your my
you know
gym
what is
and
right.
wait and not chop, na no be anything.
Okay.
Okay. As you be say no, for me wey wan fat now, I need to take it to look more healthier.
My love, go outside and go and look for something to eat. You are leaving the other supposed to eat. Go and take coke that have gas so it will melt all the furo in your tummy. So that it's not
Mother, they see outside the sweat. Mother, allow me to go back before I faint.
before na doctor, now na gym instructor. Now na gym instructor they tell you what you go do. Doctor they tell you you need bola. Now gym instructor is telling you take coke out.
Thank
Go
you.
to where you are going.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Gym instructor come. Rubbish.
Lemon, you dey see wetin dey happen, you dey use us dey press phone.
It's using you the press. It's not using us. Me, I'm not. This is me that inviting. You come invite them.
Lemon.
Invite them, right?
Dem say when you settle matter, to settle matter is not something that is hard. You leave matter that you want to settle now and come and be pressing phone. No, who does that? Everybody still say they use iPhone 15 Pro Max. No, who does that? Answer question, no gree answer any question. I know they give you any phone, no. I know they no be today your phone don't dey with you. You have been pressing your phone since. And attempt settle this or you do it.
Can I at least breathe once in this house? Make I just breathe.
Yeah,
Can I just breathe?
Please, you are sweating. Don't let it touch me. To stain my clothes.
Tell her you say I'm sweating. Give my phone, give my
They
phone.
sweat. Now you know say no may touch your clothes. But when una dey knack,
Not touch.
the sweat they touch your body.
Yeah, that one is not.
So now the same
clean,
sweat.
sexy sweat.
Nah, that one. So you people should
Now
be
clean
don't
sweat.
point on my
Not
body.
this one now where you
Give
come
my
out
phone,
and
give my phone,
because
give my
it's
phone.
good,
Give my phone, let me settle down. Let me settle. Bring it.
How is this one settling?
Bring let me settle. You will like the settlement. Bring it. Bring it. You will like the settle.
Oh, chin.
Give my phone. You will like what I want
Oh,
to say now.
chin.
Give my phone. Bring it. Let me settle. Let me settle. Let me speak the truth. The truth that is going on that two of you are stupid. Two of you are insane. Since you want to put frustration, depression in my life at this early age, una job will aturu big one. Since this person knows that okay, if I come up for here, it will make peace day. But how much is food now if you cannot avoid that and everybody to hear our voice now?
Oh,
you cannot
So I
avoid
should
that.
go back. I should go back again to go and buy food. No, now you for tell me say problem. What happened today? Me and those I go for even enter this house. I for cook my boy I won't buy for more there. You for tell me say no, I'll avoid. I should now use long and sleep.
Avoid.
I should long and sleep. I'm going back to the gym again.
Madam.
I'm going back to the gym again today. Oh,
Madam.
today I'm still going
Madam,
back again.
I've always known you as agents of darkness.
Yes, obviously.
I've always known you as agents of darkness.
I am.
Stop frustrating her. Allow her.
Allow it.
Allow her to do the thing that she wants to do, then you can go.
Do what you need.
If the lips of you, okay, Tigi, she will beat you. She will beat you hands down.
Wetin?
She will beat you hands
No
down.
problem. You know be you know the shame. You wey be man.
She will beat you hands
You
down.
wey she dey beat nko. You beat your head then because say she dey beat you. No, no.
Nobody can beat me.
Eh?
Nobody can beat
And
me.
I think I no finger.
I don't leave her because I know where I'm leaving her.
You wetin?
And I don't leave you too.
They go beat you.
I leave two of you and I
They
leave
go
her
beat
too.
you blue.
So nobody can beat
Never
you.
say you don't come out the design of like wait.
I don't let me
You don't
go.
want to cash.
I don't let me
Every
go.
comot am.
Let's let me go.
You go snap. You go turn to yellow.
This one never, case never settle like this one because I need to eat. Unless you want to go and buy it. I should write list.
How much food do you want to buy?
Okay, I'll tell you. First, I want to go and buy oats because this one now, you go where they prepare and you go buy and come. You understand?
I'll do it.
Secondly, you go and buy smoothies. Not just smoothie, you are going to buy plenty of it.
I don't hear.
Eh. So now you want contest, you know go one now, you know go give am.
I'll send you money in the account because I don't want problem again. I want peace.
Okay.
Okay? I don't hear noise. I get person for this today or they make noise.
Why we no go make all your friends wey you dey buy dey call hello wise one you go dey house hello Alex dem dey the house o hello Dikin everybody you no know say na dem no be visitor you dey call people wey dey their house.
I have a visitor here.
Wetin come concern wey am visitor make you come here come settle
I'll
matter na
send
visitor no know say person dey call make you come
Wait,
settle matter.
you see it. I'll send you the money. You see it. Buy whatever you want to buy. Let's just please. Tomorrow we're gonna fight. For now, visitor, they make everybody ask someone. Make nobody dey feel say every day we dey get issue for house. No, dey make sense like that. So the sense that every day we dey get issue for house. It does not make sense. I know some one big pass me, no wahala.
So because this
So
is
calm down.
there now.
Sam sweating.
You are going good
Sam,
man because
inside
of
the
this
face.
stuff. What's a good man? If you
You
can
guys
be like
shut
this,
up your mouth.
you go tell brother-
Come I'll tell you something come last
Madam, I
one
said
wait
visitor is
come
here.
first come now come. Now wetin be this wey you hold for hand.
What's that?
Wetin be this? No be not. Person say you hungry. Instead of you just carry okay as just use this one and go. Even as long as it's not even much, you cannot tell you still dey use carry am big when you wan go meet visitor. Oga go ja give something give it.
Give me this thing, madam.
Why you not dragging something you can buy?
Bring it.
Shebi you wan send money?
Madam, bring it.
I'm hungry. I want to eat something. I don't like this thing you are doing.
Give me something.
Hey, leave it. Shebi since I use jejely call you with respect. I no drag anything. I collect am
Leave
jejely.
this thing.
I no dey leave am.
Madam, leave this thing.
So if I leave it, you will still
If
buy
I
it.
want to give it, you will leave it. Leave it. I'm not going to leave it. I said I will give you when you buy something. Leave it. If you pay this, I'm not sending any money again. Don't joke with me.
Money is power.
You are not blaming me now.
Money is power.
Ekwensu.
Young, full chest. Big equals to carry yourself.
Now wetin you want with that? But let me tell you, next time I will come and I will cook you in the kitchen. You can only see. I better get that. Because you know they follow you talk. Nobody fit tire. I no fit tire. At least my money go send.
So say no one tire.
At least the money
I
is
don't like you when you collect money for person. I'm you. I dey call you now.
I get my money. When you get your money, when man say bring your account number, said that one you will do the thing. You will say you will give me account number. You will give me money. Money no dey tire. You dey tire. That go take for no rest. If money dey tire. Femi, I'll tell the for no rest. Me, I'm not rest. As long as I'm hardworking and I am not jobless. If you want to give me money now, I will send my account number.
To walk out of here, he's not going to give.
He's giving me. He knows that.
I want to put inside the room.